You and I were talking earlier, and you said that the biggest mistake people make in their retirement planning is that they don't plan.
Correct.
So what is it that people do? I mean, it's an overwhelming concept. So is there a simple thing that people need to reframe or think about to be able to plan?
Well, I'll tell you, most people start to plan 5 years before retirement if they're lucky. A lot of people plan 5 minutes before retirement. So here's my suggestion, and it's a really heartfelt recommendation. You can start to plan for your retirement at any age. As I said, because people don't really want to retire, they don't start. But if you think of this third stage of life as the most important, most wonderful stage of your life, you will actually do different things in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, and some people are even working in their 70s. For every decade, there's something slightly different that you should be doing. For the first decade, save. Absolutely. Get that money so that psychologically a minimum of 10%.
And get the habit going.
Get the habit going. Savings is a habit like anything else. Sometimes if you go on vacation, you come back, that habit breaks. Make sure it continues all your life, right? So in your 30s and 40s, usually it's going to be, where am I going to live? Make sure you're not living in your bank. In the 30s and 40s, make sure you haven't bought this McMansion that's sucking every penny out of your future.
Right.
Don't be house poor. And of course, make sure that you do all the right things, because the kids are eventually going to go into school or college or something. Make that plan so that it doesn't come out of your retirement in the future. In the 50s, you have to start to think of moving from growth stocks, growth investments, to a little bit more getting used to income production. And where is that income going to come from? Whether it's getting the right job that has the right benefits, you still have a lot of time at 50. You'll be working another 15 years to 18 years, right? And then at 60, again, you begin to move that money to become what I call the income millionaire. You don't have to have $2 or $3 million like they say. You have to have enough money as if you had $2 or $3 million of income. So in the 60s and early 70s, you become that income millionaire by looking at different kinds of products that guarantee income and how they work with your pension and your Social Security, and then you retire. And if you're retiring at 65 to 70, you've got about 30 years or more to live that life you love.
Great. And if they planned ahead, and I think the most important thing also, you said people don't think about it till later. They really, 20s, 30s, 40s, you have to get in that habit young and just start thinking about it early.
Yeah, I mean, this would be like thinking about college and going to elementary school when you're 17, because at 18 you're going to college. It doesn't work that way. It's an overtime process, and it only works if people are really excited about their successful retirement.
It's true. All right. Thanks, Adriane. If you like what you just saw, we have many more videos with Adriane Berg and with more experts at bottomlineinc.com. And do me a favor, do that social thing, share it, tell your friends, tell your family, come to bottomlineinc.com.